Hello everyone, this is Alberto from Networks.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install an ESET endpoint security password. So one of the reasons why you might be wanting to install a password is to ensure that unauthorized users are not making administrative changes to your security system. So in order to apply that password, we're going to go in our web browser. We're going to log into our ESET Protect page, and here's my dashboard. We're going to go over to our policies. We're going to go down here and hit New Policy. And we're going to name this policy passwords. We're going to go ahead and hit continue. Here we can change it for a specific end type, but for me I'm using a Windows client, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit that one. But you could also do servers as well as mobile devices, virtualizations, etc., etc. We're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to go to user interface, and then we're going to go to access setup. Here we can go ahead and set passwords for versions below 6 as well as 7 and above. We're going to go ahead and set passwords for both, just in case there are computers on your servers who are using your license and are not up to date. It wants us to use different passwords, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to go ahead and keep them the same. We're going to go ahead and hit continue, and this is where we assign these policies. So we're going to hit assign, and then we can go ahead and select all folders. It's just to show you that you can go through and select specific folders, which will select all the computers that are in that folder, as well as click the computer individually. We're going to hit OK. And here we can see that it shows our static groups as well as our dynamic groups and the client at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and hit continue, and we're all done. All we have to do is hit finish, and we are done. So we hope that helps, and we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.